Hello, welcome back. It's been a while. So, Christmas happened, all the busy times, rah rah. Didn't get time to work on the boat. But now the boat is off the trailer. The trailer is absolutely cooked. So, new trailer coming one day. But that's how the trailer is. What I've been doing on the boat. Put it on the ground, it's all stable, level. I've got rear gunwales on. So from the inside, I've got it all lined up. I made like a peanut butter mixture and with 450 chop strand chopped up, mixed in with it. Got all that lined up, and I did the front and the back, and I've just done the back. It is rough, but that's just to get all the air pockets out of it. I ground it like a fillet weld, and I've got all the air bubbles out of it, and I'm just waiting for this to dry. So on the other side as well, it looks rough as nothing a bit of grinding will do. Fix it. So that's where I'm up to. Priced up all the Coosa board and Thermalite, and I'm still undecided whether to go Coosa board or Thermalite, but if you guys want to tell me what one you guys would prefer, because I can get the 38mm for the transom, and then that's it, that's one sheet. But if I was to go Thermalite, I'd have to go a 25mm and a 13mm, laminate them together, or I go Coosa board on the transom and Thermalite all through the floor. So price wise, Coosa about 38mm is about $1,000. 12mm or 13mm Thermalite is about 450 a sheet, and the 25mm Thermalite is about 600mm a sheet. So I don't know what's going to be more beneficial for me. If you guys want to tell me, that'd be much appreciated. But that is the update on the boat so far. Tomorrow, or whenever I can, I'll come back and I'll sand and grind all the insides of them. These rear gunnels that I had to chop out to get the transom out, and then I'm going to do a couple of layers of 450 over that, a full layer of 450, and then I'll go biaxial over the whole top, just to tie it all in. So I'll tie all this in underneath. But yeah, bit by bit, I am getting there. So just keep updated on the YouTube channel. Just keep watching. There'll be more coming. It's a bit hard working away. That's why it's a project boat. Anyway, I'll talk to you later, and I'll keep working on the boat. So I've gone ahead, while I've just been waiting for the gunnels on the transom to cure, dry. I've gone ahead and started getting rid of all these non-skids, gel coat non-skids, and it's a mission of a job. It is a big job. I suggest having a 36 or 24 grit belt sander. I've got an Azito one just because I don't plan on using it after this boat. You'll need a corded grinder, just because you don't want to be replacing batteries all the time. I've changed this to the adapter, which has the sanding discs attachment onto it, but also I did have flapper discs, 36 grit, I think, 40 grit, only because they didn't have the 24 grit in stock. But what I did on the first two is, the first one I actually just used the belt sander, and that took 20 minutes. This one I use the flapper disc to get the bulk of it off, and then just the belt sander to go over it. This one, this big area, I started using the belt sander, the little grinder with the flapper disc, and that was just going to take forever, so I've just changed it over to this, and this just smashed it. So I suggest just grabbing that attachment and putting it on. Now, if you're doing this outside, I suggest you don't have washing out, or check to see if your neighbours have washing out, because it is dusty as hell. Try and have a vacuum cleaner close by, that might help with it. Your coveralls, your respirator, goggles, all that normal stuff that you use for fiberglass work. Yeah, so that's what I've done today. That's all I'll do today, and I've got all the rest of these ones to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just 6 of them to go. So thanks for watching, and stay cool. Alright, see you later.